what I'm talking about. You're talking about liberation, and that's what we gotta focus on. You know, with February being Black History Month, you know, slavery is not Black history. Slavery interrupted Black history, and we gotta get back on that path. And the brother also spoke about what's going on in Flint, Michigan, and dealing with that crisis. As y'all know, lead poison is a death sentence. How many of y'all know that lead poison is a death sentence? All right, because when a person has lead poison in them, you know, it don't go away. So they're gonna have to live with that for the rest of their lives. And studies tell us that there's gonna be a 20% decrease in their intelligence, in their IQ rate due to this lead poison. And what that's gonna do is, it's gonna disrupt their order, their attention span, and their learning ability. And this right here leads us on the track to the school-to-prison pipeline. So what they did was a life sentence of death to them kids in Flint, Michigan. So when we
now tuned in the Necessary Blackness podcast with Raheem Shabazz.